Hi friends, welcome back to Nifty Max Algo trading channel. I just wanted to give you all update about our performance, how it's performing algo trading and how much we are getting profit by using this automated strategy. So the last week, the 7 days back, we have updated the performance also. Now, as I'm in month of end, so I just wanted to give you all a bit how it's performed in this whole month. Okay, and okay, I'll go with this is my account and this is a verified account in Delta Exchange India account. If I go this PNL report, the last 1 week after that update, see you can see 11,000. If I take overall last 30 days from today, including today, you can see that 33,720 rupees profit we made. Okay, today you can see the date 31st Jan. So we made just how much? 4,420 rupees profit for this entry. How much we paid for fees commission? 220 rupees. Okay, so in overall this month we paid around 5,860 rupees fees, and as this is one trade per day, you can see the 220 rupees like every day it will be commission, and we no need to worry about that because also because we are getting consistency profit. So you can see these profits every these all greens are the consistency profit booked daily basis, and these are very minimal losses. You can see 98 and 600 rupees and 1500 maximum, because we added some logic, max loss and the trailing SL and all this. Okay, we no need to worry about and we no need to interfere any manual interruption in this automated algo trading strategy. Okay, and as I explained, this is the complete 1 month, last 1 month result. So if you are looking this about this automated algo trading strategy to install in your account, or how to use how we need to connect between Tradetron to Delta Exchange India account, everything we do support end to end. So you no need to worry about that. Complete setup we do and support we do. No issues on that. Please contact us for more information and get this automated algo trading strategy to in your account, friends. Okay, and we'll come back with another next week the result, 1 week result, because by this month we are Jan month, we are closed with how much? 33,000 profit by also paid 5,000 fees. Okay, please contact us for further information. So we'll see you again next weekend. Until then, take care. Bye bye.